Picture this, you're sitting in your dream home 20, 30 years from now, and you got there with peace of mind because you made smart financial decisions along the way. There's certain life events you're gonna go through that will significantly change your life for the better. In this video, we're gonna go over 3 life events and how you can actually leverage life insurance to better your family's financial future forever. As life changes, your life insurance should too. Having a kid for the first time creates a lot of responsibility. This is the time to take ownership over your family's financial security and get life insurance, and if you have it already, update your life insurance. When you get life insurance, the goal is to have financial protection for your family. You guys have your first child. Credit Karma did a study that states your expenses every time you have a child can expect to go up by 20 to 25%. So let's just say your expenses are $100,000. With your child, you can expect an extra $20,000 to $25,000 in expenses per year for your child. So it typically makes up the extra expenses when you have a child. Things like housing, food, childcare and education, transportation, healthcare, clothing and miscellaneous items. You can expect for every dollar you have in expenses, an extra quarter for the child. Buying a home. It's one of the biggest financial commitments you'll ever make. We all dream of doing it. So when you finally get to that point, getting a life insurance policy to protect your home is crucial. So you just bought your first house, this really cool house with one door and one window in California.
Yeah, I know a pretty good deal when I see one too.
Let's just say this house, it was $1 million. You put down 20%, so you put $200,000 down on the house, which means you have $800,000 left to pay off the house. The loan you took out was 30 years, all right? So for the next 30 years, you're paying this house down. Get a life insurance policy that is at least $800,000 of life insurance for a duration of 30 years that pays off the house. So now here's a tip that you can use to actually save money on the life insurance. You can get a life insurance policy. You got a $1 million life insurance policy that you're gonna pay. It's a set premium for the next 30 years, and you'll have the set death benefit for the next 30 years. The strategy that's called laddering your life insurance. You would take this $1 million policy and you actually get 3 policies. By getting 3 separate policies for specific durations of time, you're gonna end up saving money over the long run. So to break this down, so you get one that covers you for the first duration of time, which is gonna be 10 years, and this policy is gonna be $400,000. Then you're gonna get another policy that's gonna cover you for the next 20 years. This policy would be $300,000 of life insurance, and you would get another life insurance policy that is a 30-year term life insurance worth $300,000. As you're paying off the house, and you're slowly paying off the mortgage, this 10 years, $400,000 is gonna drop off. After 20 years is up, you paid down the house a little bit more, that 20-year term policy is gonna end, so then you have a $300,000 life insurance policy that's gonna carry on until you've reached 0, you paid off your house, and then this specific mortgage protection life insurance is gonna end. This is the core coverage you need for mortgage protection. Advancing in your career is exciting. Maybe you got a leadership position, maybe you started a business, but now you have a new income and it's time to focus on protecting that new income and your family's financial future. This is your situation right now. As a household, you and your spouse, you guys make collectively $200,000 a year. You each make $100,000, but you just got a new job. You got a pay raise, you got a bonus to start. You're super happy. You guys are now making $250,000 per year together as a household.
That's what I'm talking about.
You now just added $50,000 extra to your income. With new income is usually gonna come the comfort to add on new expenses. So maybe you decided to get a rental property for the first time, or you decided to have a second child. All of these are gonna add up to more expenses. What you need to do is make sure to update your life insurance. As your life updates, update your life insurance to keep up with your new financial responsibilities so your family is whole and always protected no matter what your situation is. All right, so those were 3 life events that trigger the need for a life insurance policy, but there's more than just 3. Blanket statement, if your financial situation changes at all, you should update your life insurance. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys soon.